Howdy, Choose here. Hoping that the mic is working. I just tested it and it seemed okay, but the thing that concerns me is um, it not being what I feel like it should be plugged all the way into the phone. So I'm recording this feeling like it's not going to take, but I'm going to have faith. Okay. Welcome, Choose here. Probably 5:30ish, maybe. I have for you today a Gyros sandwich with cheese. It's got mayo and tomatoes on top. Onions are in there, I think, at the bottom. That's a fish sandwich, and I got some fries. All from Windy City Gyros. Oh, sorry. Pepsi Zero Sugar, Pepsi Max, whatever. And you know what? Let's do. These fries are really soft. And since I didn't do like a proper mild sauce, I'm gonna blend ketchup with George Hughes Polynesian sauce. The sauce is a little on the sweet side. This one a little on the top. Just a little. And my trusty Valentina. So random things right now, random questions. Have any of you ever made a buttermilk pie? If you're from the South, then you know about this. I'm mixing the Pepsi with Arizona fruit punch, by the way. Okay. If you have, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you like it, how good it is. I saw a woman on a news broadcast today making one, and it looked so golden brown and jiggly in the middle, quite like myself. So, yeah, I just want to know about it, This is like having a mild sauce, kind of. Fish sandwich first. It's got lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and tartar sauce. The other thing, the other random question is, have any of you ever gone cow tipping? I was made aware of this by a couple people at my job. When I first heard it, I just was like, I laughed out loud. I said, how many people does it take? I had to ask a little more Valentina. How many people does it take to tip a damn cow? So if you have gone cow tipping, let me know. My homework tonight is I'm going to go on YouTube and see if there's video on it. Valentina. I love the combination of all of those together. But the Polynesian sauce, you got to be really careful because it can overpower everything else. I should say its sweetness can overpower everything else. Yeah. That's why I wanted to taste some Valentina's. Okay. I hope you guys have enjoyed a decent day today. I'm definitely hungry. My doctor appointment went well today. Of course, I tried to keep it really cute today. And I didn't have too much, to eat or anything. A little bit, but not much. While my blood pressure it's okay. It did go up a little bit, but not that bad. Since the last time he saw me, and it's been a while since my doctor's seen me. And this is my treat to myself. Freak it. I wish I could know the difference between our Gyros sandwiches in the US and Donair sandwiches elsewhere. I have a feeling that the Donair sandwiches, um, I have a feeling that the sauce is kind of sweet and it's not like Greek sauce or tzatziki sauce or whatever you call it. I have a feeling the sauce is kind of sweet. And I've had a sauce like that before, on a gyro sandwich in the early 90s when I was first coming out and going to clubs and had joined a youth group and all of this stuff. I never forgot that gyro. That sandwich was so good. But when I order a gyro sandwich, I never get the regular sauce that come with a cucumber sauce or whatever you call it. I just have mayonnaise on it. But I would love to find that sweet sauce. promise I'm gonna watch you. You know what? I've been watching Golden Girls. I'm telling you, and it's terrible. Every time I sit down, I just roll up on some Golden Girls, and I forget the other things that I said I want to watch. But I got to get you out of my system because I've waited for has it been a year, over a year? Mm. And I didn't say this at the onset, but I'll say it now. Hopefully, you all are still watching. Come on now. Body and throat and everything making those noises, those eating noises. You know what I mean? I get embarrassed by that sometimes, but then when I hear other people do it, I'm saying, okay, well, I'm not alone. But at any rate, if those sounds don't bother you too much, I would like for you to hit that subscribe button that's over here. Oh, no. That's over there. And yeah, I could use some more subscribers. But, only if you want to really stick around. I don't want to be a time waster for you. I don't want to waste your time. Mm-mm. And you guys, let me tell you something. Y'all don't have to always tell me how much you enjoy my channel. Don't always say that in the comments. Talk about something else. I appreciate it, but you don't have to always say that. You sound like broken records. And you sound unreal, and I want to know that you're real. So ask me about maybe some other shows, or maybe you can recommend some Netflix shows to me. I don't mean to come across like I don't appreciate people's comments. I do. But sometimes I find certain people say the same thing all the time. And I just be like, yeah, I know you said that in the last video. So be original, baby. Someone told me, oh, it was Hat in the Freezer at work. He told me they've got another Harold's coming. And I'm like, do we really need another Harold's? But we can't get no Uncle Remus, Let's get a West Side joint. Well, I think I heard that the Uncle Remuses are closed. I'm not sure if that's pandemic related or what. Okay, for real. Tomorrow, I don't even care if it is rainy outside. Tomorrow, I am going to go to the store and I'm going to get myself some salmon, asparagus, and stuff for a salad. Because I gotta do right. I gotta do better. I'm enjoying this, but I gotta do better. You know what I mean? Like, I know I'm fucking up here right now, but it's good. It's good, and I'm hungry for it, and I didn't want to. I won't have anything else tonight but water. But I should have done something else, but I wanted to treat myself to this, so bam, that's it. Mm. Mm. I do wish the fries were a little bit crispier, but that's okay. Because guess who eating them? This guy. Man, I should go live. I should play one of these games. I know a couple of people have been asking about trivia games. I wonder if I should do it. I don't know. Honestly, I shouldn't do it. I should just like plan it out. Mm. Oh my God. Okay. That was wonderful. It's one last. Okay, so that about does it. So, I've made it through this far. I'm not saying that I'm going to go live. There's a possibility that I might, but don't kill me if I don't. Okay. I hope you were working the whole time, microphone. I really do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Suck the thumb if you like it. That means give it a thumbs up. Pull it out your butt if you didn't. That means you didn't like it. And you can thumb it down. Excuse me. Again, hit that subscribe button right over here. I want to build it up, Buttercup. So maybe I'll see you guys in another. How long will it take to upload this? About an hour. Maybe I'll see you guys in another hour. Maybe I'll post it really quick on the community page and then go live with maybe a 2000s trivia game. We'll see. Or I'll just, No, I think I need to do the trivia game because to asking you guys to like hit me up with stuff with questions or whatever is really kind of pointless. I be getting y'all at the wrong time. I think y'all be doing other things and can't be there. I need some people that are gonna be there. So let's see what the next hour or so brings. It'll be as much of a surprise for you as it will be for me, or vice versa. Thank you for watching. As always, take care, you guys. Be positive, be strong, look out for your loved ones, and I'll see you soon. Bye.